In this video, I'll show you how to hard reset your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's get started. So in order to hard reset it, first thing you're going to do is locate your volume up and volume down button, and then this big side button. So you need to follow the sequence of steps, which is quickly press and release the volume up, and then quickly press and release the volume down, and then finally hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appear. During this time, you do not want to touch the screen or accidentally click anything. So in order to do that, it's going to be volume up, volume down quickly, and then I hold on to this side button and I try to avoid touching the screen. It's going to say slide to power off, but do not need to touch that either. Just keep on holding that side button until the screen goes black, just like that. And once the Apple logo appears, let go of that side button, and that's going to do a hard reset on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now this method itself of a hard reset will not delete any of your data. So all of your photos, videos, apps will still be on your iPhone. Now I'm going to show you what you need to do if you're looking to hard reset in a way that you want to delete all of your information. In order to do that hard reset, you're going to go into your setting on your iPhone, and then from there on, you're going to click on General and then scroll all the way down where it says Transfer Reset iPhone, click over there, and then you're going to want to do this. Erase all content, and setting when you do that, that's going to erase your iPhone, basically another form of hard reset. If you want to completely remove anything, if you're going to be trading in, selling or giving away your iPhone, this is the step that you want to follow. This will basically delete everything once you click on that erase iPhone, and this cannot be undone. So before you even do this, I would recommend is doing a backup through iCloud or on your computer on iTunes so that you can restore if you want your data to be saved. But that's going to be the way to do the hard reset if you're looking to delete and remove all of your data. And that's it for this video. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video. And for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.